Almost all gym fads these days are emerging out of social media platform TikTok. The latest in the list of trending health hacks on TikTok is the 12-3-30 treadmill workout. The 12-3-30 workout gained popularity after the social media influencer Lauren Giraldo talked about it in her videos. Giraldo said that the 12-3-30 workout helped her get into shape.
A speed of 3, incline of 12 for 30 minutes every day, and that's that on that. When I started doing this at first, I was out of breath within the first 2 minutes.
She said that she came up with the combination 12-3-30 on a treadmill while fiddling with the settings. She first posted videos of her treadmill workout on TikTok and YouTube in the year 2019 and 20, but the trend continues to gain popularity online. So let's break down the 12-3-30 workout clearly for you. Giraldo's 12-3-30 workout is about 3 settings on the treadmill. For this workout, she recommends setting the treadmill at incline 12, speed 3 for 30 minutes. She claims that she dropped 30 pounds by working out in the 12-3-30 technique 5 times per week. Giraldo herself acknowledged that when she started with the 12-3-30 workout, she was unable to continue for 30 minutes. The incline 12 in the workout adds to the intensity. Whether on a treadmill or an actual hill, walking on a level 12 incline is quite literally an uphill task. Experts recommend that people should gauge their capacity to sustain any such workout before committing to it. Slow and steady progress with periodic rest days can help one build the capacity to go through such a workout for 30 minutes. Experts warn that using an incline while walking on the treadmill could be harmful for people with medical conditions related to muscles, such as Achilles tendon or plantar fascia. Remember that Giraldo is in her early 20s and is used to working out in the gym. If you are a beginner, take it slow. While she makes it through the 30 minutes workout 5 days a week, most people may get an overuse injury. But there are safer ways to try this workout. Firstly, don't be fooled by the treadmill. People presume that the treadmill is safe as it has a soft, even surface. But with inclination, walking on a treadmill is like walking on a mountain, so do not underestimate it. Start with switching to settings that are more suitable for you. You can reduce the speed from 3 miles per hour, reduce duration from 30 minutes and slowly increase the inclination. If you have just returned to the gym after a year-long break, then start with the 0-3-30 on a flat treadmill. Once you are comfortable at 3 miles per hour speed at 0 inclination, slowly increase the inclination over a period of time. Over the next 3 weeks, gradually start increasing your incline at 4-degree intervals to get to a 12-degree incline. According to experts, the general rule is that irrespective of the type of workout, there should be a recovery day. Another effective way to balance a workout is to alternate it with some other activity to avoid overuse injuries. Consider swimming, cycling, or any other kind of workout on a recovery day. The bent postures of walking uphill leads to stress on your lower back. Such a workout may impact the Achilles tendon, calf muscle, plantar fascia, and hamstring muscles. To avoid any adverse effects on these areas, do strengthening exercises and area-specific stretchings. Check out other ShowFit videos for more health, wellness, and fitness news and information.